So this problem first. And I ask you to think about the question, go back in. And we have two sub-problems. And if you have a possible answer later, you can share. So you can come to the front desk to share. So that you have 5 minutes to discuss with your neighbors. Because we have 4 problems. Possibly if any group member within any group want to share, later that you have 1 to 2 minutes to share. So if you want to earn the bonus, try to share your answer first. So you can try this first and let me check my Microsoft. So the current problem asks you to check go back and right. All right, so I go through go back quickly. So go back and we have the cumulative egg. Of course, we have the receiver, and so that we have the current problem. It's go back n. So this is the go back n in action. I think I already know we have the free classroom, so I already have the video. Before we go, let me check. If you fail to check the video, raise your hands. No, right? So no, I assume no, right? So this is a go back n. Well, so let us get back to this one. So there may be something wrong with Microsoft 365, so I use a different slides today. So this one, consider this go back n. All right, we have the assumption. And subproblem A says possible sets of sequence number inside the sender window. The possible set, because we don't have a single solution. That's why here you are asked to have the possible set of a sequence number inside the sender's window at time t. And also you need to have your reason why. And subproblem B, what are all possible values of the egg field in all possible messages currently propagating back to the sender? The current value says it should be egg field in the message back to the sender at time t. Likewise, you should have your own answer. All right, so this is the current problem. Well, therefore, this one. So, possibly want to serve as the presenter, right? So, good too. And good for. We have the answer. Okay, so maybe two of you want to serve as a presenter today. So John, you want to try? It's okay. And name for you, how to read it? It's you? Okay, so let me know your name again. Gil. Okay, Gil. Am I right? Yeah. Gil. Okay. So Gil, subproblem A, 1 minute. Do you have a subproblem A? Or maybe you don't want to try? Yeah, maybe next time. And John, do you have the full answer for the current problem? A and B, right? Okay, so let you have the chance to try. Okay, so come here, 2 minutes.
Problem 1.
the whole problem. This one. Maybe 2 minutes for you. Speak louder. Okay, go.
The first question, my answer is because the receiver at least has k-1 packet, so therefore in the sender's window we can have sets between k, k+1, k+2, k+3, and k. And the problem 2 is the all possible values of f field in all possible messages. My answer is k-1 because if the sender sends k and receiver didn't receive it, it will not send x equals k. So my answer is k-1. Thank you.
All right, so here maybe my suggestion to you, we ask you the possible sets of values there, and also we ask you to justify your answer. So if possible, try to let us have your reasons there. Okay, even right now you have the results, but you don't have the direct reason there, but that's okay, you say that one. However, I suggest you to have your answer on Padlet later. Okay, thank you. This is the reference solution to all of you to accept or not to accept, because right now maybe I still allow you to work on this till 4 p.m. today. All right, at this I push you to think about the current problem, and you still have time to think about what's the answer to the current problem till 4 p.m. today as usual. All right, so this is a reference solution. Right now, if you think you finish it, then you can upload your answer for sure. If you don't think so, or maybe you want to modify, sure, you still have time to modify. And for John, you need to indicate you are the presenter of the current problem. All right, so because we don't have the answer released, so I just ask you to think about this one further. And the next one, we have 4 problems, so next one. Currently, we ask you to consider a scenario. We have 3 hosts, A, B, C, all right? And we have the connection. And we ask you to consider RDT version 3.0, it's go back N, right? And so that we have the 2 problems here. And likewise that you have this time I set it to 4 first. 4 minutes for you first to have the discussion with your neighbors. Feel free to discuss for sure. Of course, I did have the 4 problems maybe around Saturday, right? So I think you can check it. And also, let me mention this. If you still need to have some assistance from ChatGPT, sure, you can try. But you need to justify the answer is okay or not. Same, if anyone wants to have the presentation, sure, some like the previous one, some of you upload the answer. So we can have the chance for you to present, to receive the bonus. Even it's wrong, but at least share your idea with us. So I already have the reference here, current problem, RDT 3.0. So about the current problem, let me share. Anyone want to share your idea about the solution. So we have the answer from group 2 and group 4 and group 6. So 3 of you who want to serve as the presenter today for this problem? Go to Quentin. You want to serve as a presenter to share your idea within 2 minutes? Yes or no? Yeah. Okay, so come here. Go. Speak louder.
For me, yes, messages from A to C can be delivered reliably because A and C use FTDT 3.0, which handles loss and errors. B just forward messages, packets, so reliability still depends on A and C's exchange. For the second question, no, because it can tell if C actually received message correctly. It can check AC car and other. So it just forward data without tracking AC car errors.
All right, thank you. Good. So for Quentin, you need to indicate you are the presenter of the problem. For the other 2 students, do you have the same answer? No? Yes or same? Same. Same, maybe I skip it. You have the same? Or you want to share something different? Good 6. Allow you to have a chance if you want to share something different. So, Minder, do you have a different viewpoint to share? I mean, even the same answer, but you want to emphasize some different things for the current answer? Yes or no? No, okay. So, just one presenter, Quentin. Do you know you are the presenter of the current problem? Okay. If you want to update your answer, sure, you can update. And this is the second problem. So let me move on to the next one. So for group 4, let me make sure. For Jiawei, you want to try to update something else? No.
Basically
same, okay. So we have one presenter and 2 of the students confirm the answer. Correct or not, just for your reference. All right. And of course, I still allow you to have time to work on the current problem to 4 p.m. So that's why I cannot let you have for the answer directly, because I need to collect it till 4 p.m. Next one. So this problem, and this time talking about TCP. Oh, this time we have the reference answer from Minder. So later, do you want to share your idea? Okay. So once time's up, I will ask you to share. So we have one presenter, Minder. Later you can set you are the presenter for the current problem. But right now you can come to the front desk to share your idea with us. Okay, 2 minutes for you, or maybe less than 2.
Can I check the question? Okay.
This one.
The first problem, we know sequence number is 137, and because the last sequence is 97, so the source and the destination is same as the last sequence. Source is 302 and 80, and we receive the check the let me check the lecture.
Check the lecture. Yeah, that's correct.
Okay.
Oh, we still have D. Okay, so later you need to scroll down. Currently, you have an answer to C, right?
Yes.
Okay. So you can scroll down. Yeah, click on. Oh yeah, okay. And click on. Yeah.
Okay. The number 2 and is answer the question C, and the number 3 is answer to the question B. And a question B we will send at 97 because we haven't received the last sequence. We need to ask for the last sequence.
Okay. All right, that's it. Thank you.
Okay.
So this is the reference answer from Mingde. And I've noticed we still have the reference answer from Good One. I just want to make sure, Quentin, do you have the same or similar answer like the previous reference solution? Quentin says yes. So same for your reference. This is problem 3. And because I need to check. Okay, so we have 2 reference solutions here, so you can check them. And likewise to 4 p.m. for the current problem. And then we move on to the next one. This problem. But the current problem, we have one talking about this. Just for your reference, this one. So the current problem talking about the thin flood attack. Thin. Something like we need to have the synchronization to establish the connection. So we have the thin flood attack. You can check this page just for your reference. And the main problem here. This is a main problem. We have a thin and thin cookies here, and discuss maybe that one. And if actually, I don't really know this one, but if you can pass on that page and think about the 3 problems here. Well, first one, why is it necessary for the sender to use a special initial, you see, special. Here, special initial sequence number. All right. So this is the first problem. And second one, we have the assumption and ask you this. So ask you the description. Yes, same, we have the current problem and allow you to have 5 minutes to discuss with your neighbors again. Yes, if you think even you go through the video, you still want to ask the ChatGPT to allow you to have the reference solution. Sure, you can do that one, but make sure you understand it's correct or not. And then you can have the answer for yourself. So maybe for some students online, I think you should understand we use the hyperlink online group. Of course, if you think, okay, why we don't have a QR code, this one? Because right now, it's okay for Microsoft Copilot. So this time, I'll show you the QR code for the false problem. So we still have 1 minute for you, but let us take a break first. All right, so later we will continue.